vlog. I made it to Little Rock. This is my Little Rock vlog. Vlogging New Year's. Yeah, real nice, real sweet. So, for New Year's, I'm with my best friend. Yes, y'all want to see the Christmas gift she gave me. Y'all, it's so boom. Like, just checking me out. Y'all, I don't know how to fix. But, yes. I finna unwind. Real nice, real sweet. We love that. Real love.
You got the kick.
Hey vlog. So it's day 2 of Little Rock. And as of right now, we are at Walmart. I had to picking up some later things, and I'm also looking at some stuff for my dorm room for next semester because I'm gonna dig that mug out. I'm gonna need me a good little vacuum too. Oh, there go my mama Gail. Yeah, my mama Gail's so pretty. She is so pretty. Friend.
We was just looking for you.
Say hey to the vlog.
Oh, sorry, I got electrocuted this morning.
I want you to munch on it. Should anybody look at me different, so I let you see my body.
Okay guys, right here you have me helping my best friend clean her room. She hates it when I try to clean her room without her, so of course we do it together. You know, we work on both our cleaning ways and everything, and we just try to come together as one. So it's mentally and spiritually healing. It helps a lot with the mind. It's a mind thing. So yeah. Miss Sin. We got Miss Sin with us. And she's sitting pretty. Hold on, let me show y'all. But today I picked up, y'all, I got some of this. Because everybody know if you stay down where I'm from, we don't have this. So, yeah, I went to Supreme. Definitely go visit Supreme. Supreme. Yeah, Supreme is
they got them
Supreme.
in any other states or whatever.
What is Supreme?
Yeah.
Supreme is in Arkansas. That was my little bit of check-in for the Little Rock vlog. Ooh.
It is. Bye. I'll do it again.
You got the kick.
So we have somebody here y'all have not met yet. Say hey, Katie. Hey. So we have Katie and Caitlin. Y'all lay her lays down. Y'all will see that in the vlog. But yeah, we are here. Where are we going in? Texarkana. We're going to Texarkana to pick up Katie's nieces and nephews. What did you say? Is there your girl?
Yeah, you said nieces.
Oh.
Nephews.
I'm sorry, baby.
She only got 2.
How much you got? How much you got, Kayla?
2.
Lord. But yes, we're gonna take y'all on adventures with the big 3.
Huh?
Yeah, don't talk about my homegirl screwdriver in the back window. Don't worry about it.
Really just fell out the window, huh?
Hey, vloggy vlog. So, we got Miss Sleepy, she up, and we got Miss Honda Accord. Cause she drive this car like it's a Honda Accord. So, where we headed? We finna go to Whataburger. Whataburger. Right.
You gotta say it together. What about
Whataburger. We going to Whataburger. And me and Katie done had Whataburger, but it's Miss Caitlin's first time having Whataburger. So I smacked that bitch up. Okay. Yeah, that Katie looks so pretty. Yeah, my girl, she worked all morning and still drove out here. So you gonna work tomorrow?
Kick.
I can't call up twice a week. That fucking dog was with him. He maybe like what he sees.
You his cousin. Sorry, I love you.
Y'all want me to do 2 separate orders? Yeah, makeup on.
Yes. They got a milk that's like really good.
But if you like onions, it's good.
Yeah, me either. Well, they're not that bad. Big ass. I'm playing. I'm sorry. I had to. Yeah, let's get into the hair. Let's get into the hair that I did. Look at me. Let's get into the hair. Yeah, I did that my very first install on my bitch. Right here, you have me getting ready to go out with my big sister and her fiance. And yes, we did have one of the best nights you could have. My sister took me somewhere I have been wanting to go, which is a drag queen club. I'm finally old enough to go, so we went together and had a time.
Hash browns, extra meat.
By these curls is popping. I should have been curling my hair.
On what? On the cheesecake. She say all that.
At least the oil.
That's right. Thank you.
He's so pretty.
If my mama blocked me, just say it.
Hey vlog. Happy New Year's, Katie. Katie. Yeah, my baby Katie went to work, so please do not worry about her.
Same thing. You can see her? Yeah.
Ooh, thing. Yeah, Katie thing be thangin'. I ain't even gonna hold it. Yeah, my booty look good. I'm gonna show y'all my booty in a little bit. It look, I'm sorry. I ain't gonna show y'all my booty. Add me on Instagram. We might get to the close friends. Let's stop playing. Guys, I'm hanging out with the hostesses of the New Year's party, the Caitlin. Yeah, I'm gonna make me some of them DIY shoes I've been singing. Them look so fun. I did a little breakdown.
Okay, Kayla, what are we doing?
I did a little breakdown, but they weren't paying me no attention. It's okay though. Hey guys, we are in Target. We done went and got everything we needed to get already. So we just came to Target. I'm finna get me a white crop top. And she got a dress as your drink. Are these all medium?
Kick.
Here's a large. I'm gonna get a large because I don't know how Target clothes are. And it's just $5. Bro, I'm gonna give me another one.
Too damn long to be late.
Yeah, I'm gonna give me another one. I'm so okay. I need to stop. But yeah, it's so hard for me to find. Oh, they have one black. Okay, this is $15 right here. No, okay, it ain't even one. It ain't even one in large. That's them telling me I don't need it. Okay, that's them telling me I don't need it. I don't need it. Girl, I got my robe. I'm good.
Girl, it's 5:56.
Katie, what bitch is 6 o'clock?
It's 6. It's 5:56. We got 4 more minutes. Y'all be rushing time.
Yeah, we do this every time it's a party. We make it there last minute and be rushing.
We the host. Last party, I was late as hell. Kelly already drinking. I'm like, hold on.
Exactly.
Oh, man, it was my birthday.
You showing her? Y'all see Katie thing. Y'all, Katie thing be thang. Ooh, ooh. Get this thing. Go, 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 go. Get this thing. Go, 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 go.
You got me climbing on top of stuff. Kids, get on my back.
But no, we always have
And I'm looking a little dusty. But
Damn, I should have worn it like this. Y'all do? I think I should have worn it like this.
but I'm gonna get it together
I should have worn it like that.
by the end of the night.
Okay, I need a Coke 2 liter.
Hold on,
I
bro.
give me a Coke 2
Wow, you farting, bitch.
This shit stink.
You gonna find me something like this for real so I can show my tech.
They bring that
Oh, let's just buck. My knees start bucking.
Gets kick.
Hi. Now this is Darling.
Hello.
And you got Cord. Hi. Am I Mar with the big bitties? With the big bitties. Now you got Baysaya.
How are y'all?
You got Mari. Miss Erin. That was the tall dude name was. Hola. Katie. And that's Isaiah. Yeah, this is KK.
So, who all coming?
Happy New Year!
Y'all, I'm finna
Long
give you a
back Come here. Vodka spring.
Oh my god.
Y'all, as y'all can see, I was just trying to eat.